the post as a post, let's try to configure in the homepage the highlighted projects and posts. So let's come back now to the template of index.html and go down to this section here. Okay, so we have a lot of repetition. Let's get rid of them. So for example, let's remove this one and keep, okay, so this one refers as a single block, so let's keep this one as it is. Great. Now here as well we need to do the same thing, so remove this one and keep this one here. Okay, and as you can see that it is like a big section where it has two categories, because as you can see that you need at least to specify different sections in order to show them. So we can do that by showing them like in a way that is two posts per pagination. Okay, so let's do that. First we need to come back to the views.py of the pages in order to import there the posts that are featured. So here, okay, no, sorry, not here, we need to come back here to the home, and here we are going to deal with that. Okay, the first thing is to say from posts.models import post. Fine. And now I will say highlighted underscore posts is equal to post.objects dot filter where is featured is equal to true. Great. What I'm going to do is I will return the data as two variables. Okay, so instead, for example, if we have 10 posts, 10 featured posts, I will divide them into 5 by 5 automatically, so I can show them like 5 in the first slide or pagination and 5 in the second. Instead, if they are, for example, 5, I will divide them in a way that is 3 per 2. Okay, so to do that, I would say midpoint is equal to highlighted posts dot count and divide this one by 2 and get the integer part of that. Highlighted underscore posts underscore 1 is equal to highlighted post from the beginning until the midpoint, and highlighted post underscore 2 is equal to the highlighted posts from the midpoint to the end. Now in my data I will insert highlighted posts 1 and highlighted posts 2. Okay, fine. Last part is okay. Let me see. Okay, comma here, and we can add a comma here also. Perfect. Now let's come back here. So let's start from here. Let's start by opening a loop here for post in highlighted underscore posts underscore 1, and I need to say that here I need a hyperlink href equal, so it will take me to the post, and I need to close it. Let's close it. The link here is URL post view post.id. Okay, fine. And here we have, instead of the static file, we have post.photo.url. Anything else? No. Let's add also another hyperlink on the name. Okay, so here we need to close this again, and we need to say here post.title for sure. This is post.title. Last thing is the paragraph. We are going to say category. Let's say category. That is, we are going to specify post.category.name and close it. So we will present the data in the following way. Finally, close the loop. Now, by the way, we can copy this one and paste it there. So we can paste it here. Instead of this section, we can paste it here. So paste. Instead of 1, we say 2, and that's it. We save. Let me see just here if, okay, we have just one single one. Let's turn 2 of them as featured and go back here and check if the results are shown. Great. So we can see the results here. Let us try to turn 4 of them on and refresh. We have now 2 posts per pagination, so it will divide them automatically. Okay, now we finished this part. We can go back to deal with the posts. So whenever we write slash posts slash post slash 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. We are going to deal with this one. Okay, so we are here now, and let's start working on it. Okay, so here what we are going to do is that we have here this section, so this one is related to this one. What I'm going to say is that for any post we have post.category.name here, and we have also here instead post.created_at type date on the format. I want the format FY, so month, year. Here we have the title, post.title, and in this paragraph we have, or we can do the same thing but without so here instead what I'm going to do is to remove this one, and all these content are from the post until here, so I will remove all of them and just keep it as it is. And here I would say post.content safe. Great. So now we have this one here. We finished this part. Now we are going to deal with the part that is for the other posts, that is here. All these are repeated posts, so let me remove all of them and keep just one single post, that is this one. Great. Here we go. Okay, what I need to do is to say here for, so it is a for loop, for other in others. We have here the other.category.name. We have so the name of the category. We have the same thing here, so let's copy this one, paste it again, and we have here the post itself, so it is other.title. Here we have the href, so it is URL post other.id. Finally, we have the writer. In our case, we don't have a writer. It's just one single writer, the owner of the website. And for save, and let's see the results. Now we are here. Fresh. We have the post that is in category 1 in August 2023, and we have other posts. So I can click on this one, it will show me other posts. For example, I'm here, I can go down and select one of my posts, so it will take me back here. Great. So we configured this section completely, we finished it. In the next videos we'll start dealing with other sections.